Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make spotlight effect in Canva. What you need to do. First, just go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar just type the design you are looking for. For example, Facebook post, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail. I will choose YouTube thumbnail. Just you can type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar, but I already have it here. Just click YouTube thumbnail. After that, click uploads. If you have the image in your laptop, just click upload files, then you can upload the image. I can use this image. Just click here and then 3 dots. Set image as background. After that, click edit. And then adjust. And here for brightness, okay, 100. And after that, go to elements and then just type neon circle and graphics, and then just choose the one you like. Okay, for example, this one. And then type frame, and here frames, click see all. Okay, choose this one. And then go to uploads, and then the image, just drop it to the frames. And even here you can just adjust the image if you want. Yeah, after that, when you are happy with the image, just click share and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to make spotlight effect in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.